As the sun rose, the forest slowly woke up. Soft light danced across the quiet pond. Milo, the little turtle, climbed onto his favorite rock. He loved sitting here and listening to the world. Birds usually sang. Water usually whispered. But today, something felt different. The pond was too quiet. Milo tilted his head and listened closely. He didn't rush. He took a slow breath and stepped down from the rock. Milo walked gently along the water's edge, listening with every step. Then Milo stopped. He closed his eyes and listened again. A tiny rustle came from nearby leaves. Under one leaf, a small frog peeked out. He looked stuck and scared. Slowly, carefully, Milo moved closer and gently pushed the leaf away. The frog hopped free with a happy croak. The pond sang once more. Birds fluttered back. Milo returned to his log and smiled. Sometimes listening is the kindest thing we can do.